Hi everyone! In this video, I will show you how to fix Steam Cloud out-of-date error quickly and easily. If you see this message on your game, it means that your local save files and Steam Cloud are not synced properly, and this can prevent your game from launching or saving progress. So, if this is happening to you, follow these steps. Fix 1. Resync Steam Cloud. First, open Steam. Go to your library. Find the game that shows Cloud Out of Date. Right-click on the game and select Properties. Now, click on General. Here, make sure that Keep Games Saves in the Steam Cloud is enabled. If it's already enabled, turn it off. Wait a few seconds, then turn it on again. Now close this window and try launching the game again. If it works, you're done. If not, continue. Fix 2. Restart Steam properly. Close Steam completely. Go to the bottom right corner of your screen next to the clock. Click the small arrow pointing up. Find the Steam icon. Right-click on it and click Exit Steam. Wait a few seconds, then open Steam again. Now try launching your game again. Fix 3. Check Internet connection. Steam Cloud needs internet to sync. Make sure your internet is working and you are not in offline mode. To check this, click Steam in the top left corner. If you see Go Online, click it. Now try launching your game again. Fix 4. Verify game files. Open Steam and go to your library. Right-click on your game and click Properties. Go to Installed Files. Click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Wait for the process to finish. After that, launch the game again. Fix 5. Force Cloud Sync. Close Steam again. Now press Windows + R on your keyboard. Type Steam:///flush config. Click OK. Steam will restart and reset configuration. Log back into your account. Now open your game again and Steam should resync your cloud files. One of these methods should fix the Steam Cloud out-of-date error. If this video helped you, like and subscribe for more Steam fixes and PC tutorials.